Your chin should be tucked in slightly, aligning your ears with the shoulders and the hips. Your nose is in line with the navel. This typically creates the perfect center of gravity, causing the least strain on your body during Zazen. If a tightness develops somewhere between your head and shoulders, this suggests that your energy is blocked somewhere high up in your body. To remedy this, let your shoulders hang effortlessly on your frame and take a deep breath in, lifting your sternum, and breathe out slowly. Repeat a few times if needed, and eventually this will release the blocked energy in your shoulders. No effort should be taken to pull back the shoulders, for this will create tension and eventually pain. They will align on their own accord when the sternum is lifted and the natural bend in your lower back is maintained.